Are you tired of manually writing all of your captions for your long form and short form videos? Do you wish you could get subtitles just like this in seconds using AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. I'll be showing you guys two methods where one is going to be browser based and it might be a little bit slower to download your files and convert them, and I will list all the pros and cons with that. Then I'll also be showing you guys an app version which is a lot faster and is the one that I recommend the most. So the first version, which is browser-based, is the CapCut browser version, and you can go to CapCut.com and go ahead and just sign up. You can do that by clicking on Try CapCut Online right on the top right here. This will prompt you to sign up. I don't know if that is necessary, but I do recommend it to just sign up with any of these, and I think it can also be used without signing up here. From here, you simply want to drag in your videos, and the upload is actually quite fast in my opinion. And I think it does that because you get a low resolution video to edit while it's fully uploading right here. That's how it can be that fast. So after you've added your video, you simply want to go over to Captions and go ahead and click on Auto Captions right here. You would probably want English US, but if you want any other language, then most of them are available here too, at least the most popular ones. So when this has been fully uploaded, as you can see, it's very close to being fully uploaded. When it has done that, then you'll be able to use the auto captions feature. As you can see, we are now done because there is no circle here. So simply go over to Captions, as I said, and go ahead and click on Generate. Now it will use AI to automatically generate your captions. And as you can see, here we have them. You can even see them on the timeline right here. And these are, of course, fully adjustable. So if you want to go ahead and move them around, maybe you want them on top here, then this will actually create that change for all of the different ones, not just for the single caption segment. But I don't really think you can edit these captions very much. They're just simply plain white text, and this is why this option is not the best in my opinion. Also, if you do sign up, then you do get cloud storage, but there you actually only get 1 gigabyte. So I don't know if this limits you from editing videos that are larger than 1 gigabyte. Or maybe it's just 1 gigabyte of cloud storage and you are still able to upload more video files that are bigger than that, but they aren't just saved to the cloud. I don't really know how that works. If you have a bit more detail, then do let me know in the comments. But the biggest problem I have with using this browser method is that the download speeds are really slow. This isn't my Wi-Fi because I am able to get a lot faster speeds, but it's on their server and it's pretty much capped at max 100 kilobytes per second. But for me, it's usually around 40, and it can spike and go even lower to maybe like 10 or even 5 kilobytes. So if you're downloading some bigger files, especially if it's long form content, then this method is definitely not recommended. And when you are done with the adding captions, you can simply go ahead and click on export right here. But as you can see there, it does prompt you to sign up. So you do actually have to log in. And actually, I'm just signing up and uploading the file again so that I can show you guys how to download it. And as you can see, the upload speeds are not very good as well. They are a lot better than the download speed, but still not as good. Okay, so I've signed in now and done the exact same procedure. So if you go ahead and export here, you can actually directly export them to YouTube and TikTok as well. Even Instagram Reel works here. But personally, I do like to download them myself. So I'll go ahead and click on download here. And then it will ask you for some details here, and you can choose whichever one you want. You can also choose if you want the high quality or if you want it to download as fast as possible. And then you just get this export here, and after that you will be able to download the file. And when it's done, just go ahead and click on download right here. But hey, it looks like I'm starting to get a lot better download speeds here. I'm getting about 2 megabytes. So maybe it was just that day their servers were a lot slower. So yeah, I guess you can actually get pretty good download speeds here. But obviously this is not as good as the second method. So let me go ahead and show you guys that one instead. And the second method isn't all too different from the first one. It is just that we're going to be downloading CapCut here. So when you go to CapCut.com again, you can simply go ahead and click on download here instead. And then you will get this download exe. Just go ahead and double click on it to open and go through the setup procedure. You might also here need to sign up. I have just done that with my TikTok account. And go ahead and just click on long project right here. Then you'll be moved over to the video editing part of the software and just go ahead and click on import. Choose whatever video you want, and as you can see, this was transcoded so much faster because it is directly pulling from your hard drive or SSD, so it doesn't have to upload and re-download anything. You also get a lot more customization here if you go over to Captions once again and just go ahead and choose English right here. Let's go ahead and click on generate and let it generate right here. There we go, we have gotten them right here. What this has is that it has templates right here which give you a lot more customization, and you're able to make them a lot more poppy and very suited for short form content such as shorts and TikTok. A lot of them are pro, which means that you do need to pay to get them, but there are some really good free ones as well. Like this is my personal favorite. I don't really think you can search for it, but you can just go ahead and scroll to find it, and you will see that it doesn't have like a pro mark right here. And as you can see, when I scrub through the timeline, it does have this sort of effect on the captions, which make them pop a lot more. So they're actually moving and it's not just stationary text. It also gives the caption a black outline and a drop shadow, which makes it pop a lot more from the video itself and makes it very easy to read. And when you have done that, you can also just go ahead and move it to wherever you want and just go ahead and click on export, and that is how easy it is. Even from here, you can choose whatever settings you want and just go ahead and click on export. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out.